So this will give me array like this, correct?
Yeah, 4 times.
How many numbers?
4 times.
5 numbers.
5, sorry.
So what are the value of the array?
5,
What are they?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
And what is the index?
The index is 10.
This is which index?
0.
Index always starts from 0. This is a of 0. And what is this?
Yes. 1.
What is this?
2. That's 3. 4.
Right? Understood?
Yes, yes.
Now if I want to display this array, if I want to do what?
Display this array.
So if I want to display this array, I will write code. So what will be the code? I will call display function. I will call what?
Display function.
And to this display function, I will pass the array. I will pass the
Array.
array is in, what is the name of the array?
A.
I will pass the first index. Which is first index?
0.
And what is the size of the array?
5.
I will pass these three things. Understood?
You are passed to
Display function. Scenario 3. We get the mutton and give to the cooker.
yes.
So I am calling which function?
Display.
Passing what to it?
Sorry?
What am I passing it to the function?
The name of the array. First index.
Correct?
Yes.
I am passing what to it?
Passing to array.
What are the things? I am passing three things, no?
Yeah.
What are the three things?
The name of the array, the first index, and the size.
Size. So when I will make, so now I will close this function. So when I make function for void display, for which function?
Void display.
So I will take three things, right?
Yes.
So A is what type? Array. So I will take A in array. Okay.
Yeah.
And 0 is first index. So I will say integer index. Okay.
Yes.
And 5 is size. I will take integer size. Okay.
Yes.
Understood?
Understood.
Now if I say cout, if I do what?
Yeah.
Now see what I will do over here. I will cout A of index. What will I cout?
Array of index.
So A of which index? What is the index now?
0.
So what is the output now? What is output? Output is
Index.
10. A of 0.
Yes.
What is the index, Mohammad?
The index is 0.
So what is A of 0? See over here.
A of 0 is 10.
So what is the output now?
10.
Now I want to display what?
Now to display the one
20.
20.
So again I will call display. Again I will call what?
You call the same one.
Pass what to it? A. And now what is my new index? I will increase the index.
How you will increase?
Index plus plus.
Index.
And I will pass the new index. and size is 5. So display is calling display. Display is calling.
Display.
Understood?
Yes, yes, yes.
Till when
And
will
every
it
time
dis
on the
till
figure you add
till,
stuff.
till when will you do this? You will do this till your index is less than size. Till your index is
This then
okay. Understood?
yes.
Like this you will keep on calling. So this is a recursive function. This is which function?
Started function.
Recursive function. Display is calling display.
Yes, yes.
You want to see the output?
What will the output be?
Yeah, let's check. Okay, should I you see my screen?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, so I paste over here. Okay, and I take over here in main. I will take the array
Digital A.
10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 arrays.
Yes.
And then what do? I'll call which function?
On display.
Pass it to A. Pass the first index and the size. Correct?
Yeah.
And then display will do that for me. So I copy this first line and paste above main and give semicolon. Okay?
Yes, you know.
Understood, Mohammad?
Yes, yes, yes. Understood.
Now let's run this. Let's. Do you see?
Yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I did not give endl. I did not give.
And
So it came on the same line. It came on the.
now after and
Okay? Understood?
okay.
So,
But Mr. Here the output is the same in the right order.
yes. You want to reverse order?
Yeah, reverse.
So reverse we will display the size minus 1. What will we display?
5 minus 1.
And do what? Size minus minus. Do what?
Size minus minus.
Yes. Okay. And we will
Okay.
do till your index is less than or equal to size. We will do what? Less than or equal to.
Equal size.
Okay. And here we will keep 0 fix. And here we will pass the size. So here we are passing the array first index size. Index 0 is less than equal to 5.
Yeah.
Yes, so here we are passing 5. You are displaying size minus 1. Size minus minus 0. Okay.
Minus minus.
Okay. This will display in reverse order. This will display in.
Reverse.
Okay.
Oh.
Understood?
Now it's reverse.
Yes.
Okay.
Getting
So
Mohammad?
you just
Just we have to change the.
you have to change the
So we have to display
size.
the size. See what is the value of size?
5
What am I displaying? A of
minus 1.
means what?
Well, minus 1 and then
No. What is? See what is going in this A array is coming in the A array, correct?
A of size.
0 is coming into index, correct?
Yeah.
And 5 is coming into size, correct?
Yes.
So now what do you want to display first? What do you want to display first?
The A of 4.
4. So what is then size?
5.
5. So you want to display 5 or display 4?
Now I want to display 4.
So I will say size minus 1. Say what?
Size minus 1.
Okay. And then after this, what you want to display? 40, right?
Yeah.
Then again I will do size minus minus. We'll do what?
Size minus minus.
So like this over here I am doing.
Okay. That's the only thing you do. Just change
Yeah.
the.
So I am displaying size minus 1.
Okay, understand.
So if I just do, okay, if I pass the array the first index, what is last index?
The first index is 0.
Last index is
5.
last index is 4, no?
4.
If so if I pass directly 4, no need for give size minus 1 also. Directly it will display you 4. Display you what?
4.
Then size minus minus, size will become what?
Size will become
3.
size plus 3.
See, this 4 came into size, correct?
Yes.
Then I will display a of 4, display 50. Then size minus 1, what is size?
Size is 5.
Size, brother, minus minus, size is 4.
I mean the 4.
So it was 4. Now what will it become?
3.
3. Okay, then again I am calling display. Now what am I passing to it this time? The array 0 and 3, okay?
Yeah.
Array 0 and
3.
so this 3 will go now in which variable?
In the side.
And 0 will go in which variable?
In the index.
And array will go in which variable?
You passed first the
Array 0 and 4. What did I pass?
The array 0 4.
First time. First call was array 0 and 4 was what?
Yes.
0 and 4. Array will go in which variable? Array, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So this array goes into which variable? The array. Array will go in the array variable, correct? 0 will go in 0 go in which variable?
In the index.
Index. And 4 go in which variable? Size, correct?
Size.
Now here what is in size now?
Sorry?
What is in size? What is the value of size?
Mister, I can't see 1 minute. What screen? What is the value of size now?
Yes, now. First time when the first call is made.
Now it's too small.
4. Now, what is the value of index?
0.
0 less than 4, true or false?
0 is less than 4, yes, true.
True. Display me A of size. Display me what?
It will be 3.
A of size means what? A of 4. What is A of size? Means
Yeah, of size will be 3.
A of 4. What is A of 4?
Yes.
What is A of 4?
50.
Huh? A of 4 is 50. So this will display me what on screen? This will display me what? Correct?
Display 50.
50.
Yes.
Then size minus minus. Size will become what?
Now it will become 3.
3. Okay.
Yes.
Now again I am calling display and passing what to it? The array A, correct?
Yeah, the array.
Second value is
The
0. And third value is?
yeah, the size.
So now second time when it will be called, second time. What is the value for second time?
For
Array 0 and 3. Array 0 and
0 here.
So like this. Now is 0 less than 3?
Yes.
Display A of size. What is size?
Yes.
What is size? 3, right?
Yeah.
So what is A of size? What is A of 3?
Go back to the picture. 40.
So it will display you 40. It will display you
40.
display 40. Then size minus minus. Size will become what?
Now it will become 2.
2. Now again I am calling display with array 0 and size. So third time what will be the call? Third time.
0.3.
Yes. Array 0 comma 3 comma 2, right?
Yeah.
So now size index is 0. Size is 2. Is 0 less than 2?
2 is
So
30.
like this function will go and it will display you the array in reverse order.
Yes.
This is a recursive function. This is what?
Recursive function.
Because display is calling display. Understood? Yes, guys.
It's called
Hmm?
It's calling itself.
Yes. Function. Which function is calling itself?
The display.
Display function. So it is just passing new argument. First it passed array 04, then it passed array 03, then it passed array 02. Like this it is passing new value and calling itself. Okay.
Yes.
Understood or understood, Mohammad?
Understood, Mister. Okay, this is the reverse.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah. Mister, now we do the vectors.
Yes, now we do vector. So show me what is vector. Yes, Mohammed. Go and show me what is vector we all have. We didn't do 2D array. 2D array is pending.
Sorry?
2D array. Can you WhatsApp this to me? Just drag drop and
I
WhatsApp
sent
it.
to you this one. It don't come.
No. A personal chat?
Yeah.
A group chat?
No, personal.
No, nothing. When?
I sent to you yesterday. It
No,
don't
no,
come to
no.
you.
Send me again.
Okay. See, now I sent to you. See, now it come to you.
Let me check. Yes, come. So we will just do small 2D array, then we will come to vector, okay? Very just a small concept, then they will come. So you know array, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, Mister, here, what we understand about array. See here, use arrays analyzed to declare elements to pair of elements.
Yes,
Use the range for treatment past the arrays functions.
yes,
This one we did it.
yes. We
Declare
did
the
this.
yeah, declare the multidimensional arrays. Use C++ standard class template. But this one still we don't take.
Yeah, this we no. So we are now doing before that multi-dimensional array.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is
Yeah.
multi-dimension array? See, make me the host. I will show you.
Okay. Mister, you're recording, right?
Yes, yes, I am recording. Yes.
Yes.
Make me the host now.
Yeah, host.
Yes. So this is 1D array. What I have done is 1D array. What is this? Array. This is array, correct?
Yes.
This is array. This is array, right?
Yeah.
So how many index does this array have?
Has
10 has only one index, 0, right?
one.
20 has
One, three, four.
correct. You know what is matrices? Matrix.
Matrix and math.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
like this they are, right? There are
Yes.
correct. So how many numbers are there?
And
How many numbers?
uh, five.
Now this is 2D array. This is what array?
2D.
2D array. Okay. So also called as multi-dimension array. Also called as what?
Multi-dimension array.
Now what is the multi-dimension? Now how many rows does this array have? Rows.
3.
How many columns?
3.
See, this is called as row. This is called as
Row.
row. This is called as what? So, row 1, row 2, correct?
Row 3.
Row 3. How many rows?
3.
So in array the index starts from 0. Index starts from
0.
so 0th row, 1 row, 2 row, correct?
Yes.
And this is called as column.
Okay.
Which column?
This the third. Second.
Okay.
First. Yes.
So which column is this?
This is second. First. Second.
Okay, understood.
Yes.
Now what is the index for 10 now? What is the index for number 10? So index for number 10 will be the row is 0. What is the row?
0.
0 row, and which column?
The first.
0 column.
0 column.
This is the index for 10. Okay, now it has 2 index. It has how many index?
2.
So if this array name is matrix, is the array name is?
Matrix.
So I will say integer matrix. How many rows?
3.
How many column?
3.
Okay, understood this.
Yeah.
Now what is the index for 10? Here what is index for 10?
0.
So it is 1D array. It is which array?
One array.
But here what is the index for 10? 0 0.
0.
Which row, which column?
0. 0. 0 row.
0 column. So how many index?
1.
2. 0 0.
Yeah. For 0. Sorry. For
So
this one.
2 index 2D array. This is what it is called what?
2D array.
Why is it called 2D?
Because it has two index.
Two index. Very good, Aiwa. Now what is the index for 20? Tell me.
Index for 21.
What is the index? No, first row. Which row?
First row.
Zeroth row.
Zero.
And which column?
The second.
1.
Yeah.
Column. Array starts from Mohammad 0. Array starts from
0.
0. So always take 0 as first. Now what is index for this? Tell me.
This one is 0.
0 what?
0, 2.
Yes, 2D array will have what? What? 0?
1.
Brother,
1.
2, brother, 2.
Yeah, I say to you,
You are saying 1.
Yeah. 2.
Now what is the index for 40? Tell me.
See now, then index will be 0.
Brother, row first. Give the row first.
1.
And column?
Column is the first.
What is the first column index?
First column index 0.
Yes. So give 1 0 like this. Understood?
Yes.
Now give for this. No mistake now. Tell me.
This in the second column. So, but the index is.
First give index of the row. First give index of the row always.
Yeah. It's in the second. First.
So second row. What is the index of the row?
The index of the row in this row is 1.
1. So 1. And index of column?
Index of column is also 1.
Understood. Now give for 60.
Yeah.
Fast.
Index is 1. Row is 1. 2.
2 is 2. Okay.
Yes.
Now give for 70. Fatafat. Fast.
Index is 2.
For column?
Column is 0.
Beautiful. Give for 1. Give for 80.
Index is 2.
Column?
Column is 1.
Beautiful. And give for 2. 90.
Here index is 2 and column is 2.
Understood, Mohammad?
Yeah.
This is called as 2DArray. This is called as what?
So yeah.
2DArray. How many index? Two index, no?
Yeah, 2.
That's why 2D. That's why what?
2D array.
Got it?
Yes.
So if I want to store value in this using from user, so I will take a for loop. I will take two integer I and j. I is number of rows.
Okay.
I is
Number of rows.
for the row and j is for the column. J is for the
Column.
So in my first iteration, in my first for I, row is starting from which index?
0.
Going till which index?
2.
Less than 3.
Yeah, less than 3.
And I plus plus. And j is starting from which index?
From
Column.
From 1.
No, from 0.
From 0.
Going till where?
Less than 3.
And j plus plus. Understood?
Yes.
So for I is for the rows and j is for the column. Got it?
Got it.
This is for the rows. This is for the
Rows.
This is for the columns. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now what is the value of ij over here? And j. In the first iteration, what is the value of ij? First iteration.
The value of j
I is
0.
j is.
J is 0.
So if I say printf enter cout enter number will go where?
I.
I and J, no? There are two.
Yeah, I and J.
So we'll go where? C in. What is the array name?
Matrix.
Matrix of which index?
Of 0.
And J also is 0. Not 0, I and J.
I and J.
Getting the point, Mohammed?
Getting it. Stop.
So in the first iteration, value of I is
0.
J is.
0.
So you tell enter number. You enter 10. You enter what?
10.
10 will go where? Matrix of 0, 0. Oh here. Okay.
Yeah.
Then what will plus? J will plus. What will plus?
J will plus.
J will become what?
After 0.
1.
Yeah, after 0, 1.
So you enter number. You enter 20. Will go in IJ. I is 0, J is 1. I is 0, J is 1. This. Okay.
Yeah, 1.
Get the point, Mohammed? Understanding?
Yes.
So this loop will make this array. This loop will make this array. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to display, then again copy paste. For array, every time fresh loop. And this time only display, right? So you will say.
I want to attach array, Mister. I have to what?
Now we are displaying. This is to accept the number. This to display the number. Okay.
Yes.
And after this, you have to enter new line. You enter what?
New line.
Okay.
Yes.
So this will accept the number. This will display the number. Now see, I copy this and I paste over here. You see my screen? Yes.
Yes, Mister. Why?
You see my screen?
I see. No, Mister. I want you to send it to me.
Which one? Old one. This one.
The last program. Yeah. This one. Send it to me, please, Mister.
Now I will show you 2DArray program. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Integer
Yes. Nice.
matrix of 3 comma 3, right?
Yeah.
And integer
Mister,
ij.
and the integer, I have to write the matrix how many rows and columns.
Yes. While declaring, you have to write how many rows and column you want.
This one just for arrays.
Yes, for the arrays. Okay, so this will accept the numbers, and this will display the numbers.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, Mister.
now run. So enter number 10. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Accept and now display. Okay, see, you should give space. You should have given space. You should have given some space. Some space. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay.
Now it's
Yes.
now okay.
This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2 2. Understood?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is 2D array. This is which array?
2DArray.
Understood this, Mohammed?
Understood this. But Mister,
Yes.
how you make the space more a lot so you can make the output look good?
Here. See here, I gave space. So after 10, give a space. After 20, give a space. After 30, give a space. And after each line, give a new line. And then.
Just enter by itself.
Okay?
Okay. Mister,
Hmm.
in the cout you said cout enter number, and then you said cn matrix ing.
Yes, 2D array, no 2D array. So what is the value of I?
You mean enter number from
User.
ing.
Enter number from user, and that number will go at matrix I and J. Okay?
Uh, yeah, so the user will choose between them.
Okay, understood?
Yeah, so the user will choose between them.
Yes?
Between the ing. I mean the user will choose between ing, right?
No. What is the value of I?
Value by 0.
Assalamu alaikum. जी तो आजा फिर मगरिब पढ़ेंगे साथ में, आजा घर पे आ जाओ। हाँ इधर ही। ये कहाँ भटकेगा मन? तो क्या भटकेंगे यहाँ वहाँ फिर? अभी बाहर बैठेंगे, चाय पिएंगे, अच्छा घर पे बैठे चाय पिएंगे। या तुम्हारा कुछ एक्टिविटी है, अगर तो लग रहा है कुछ पर मुझे पढ़ाई करना है तो मैं यहाँ बैठे बैठे पढ़ाई कर लेता हूँ 2 घंटा, फिर 8 बजे निकल जाऊँगा यहाँ से पढ़ के, तो मेरा 2 घंटा और यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा। ऐसा कुछ है तो फिर पढ़ लो। शोएब है, शब्बीर है, बस हम 3, हम 4 लिया, अच्छा रहेगा हम लोग के लिए। यस मोहम्मद, मोहम्मद, यस मोहम्मद।
Yes, mister.
See, the first number he enter number. What you will enter first number, first time?
First 20.
First 10.
10.
So 10 you will put where? Matrix which index? What is the value of I?
0.
What is the value of J?
0.
So first number will go matrix of 0 0. Matrix of
0.
so first number will come here.
Okay.
Okay.
On the left, yes.
Then which loop is finishing? Which loop finish? I or J?
It will finish on J.
J. Then J plus plus. What will J become?
J plus.
So J will become 1. J will become
2.
1 1 0. No, it was 0.
1, yes.
Then again it will ask enter number. You will enter 20. What will you enter?
20.
You will go 20 where? Matrix of I J. I is 0, correct?
Yes.
And what is J now? J is 1.
0.
J is 1.
1.
So we'll go to where? 0 1. We'll go to where?
0, 1.
So where is 0 1? 20 will go to 0 1. Understood?
Yes.
Then which loop is finished?
So, mister, every time I either finish with I or J,
Yes.
each time when I finish maybe from J, I have to start with I.
Yes. This
To
loop
make a new color.
this loop will go one time, and this loop will go from start to end. Will go from start to end. Samjha? Understood?
Yes.
Understood? So now J is 1. J is 1. Now J plus plus. J will become what? 2. Is 2 less than 3? Enter number, you enter 30. You enter what?
30.
30 will go where? I, J. I is what?
I 0.
J is what?
2.
So we'll go to 0, 2. We'll go to where?
0, 2.
We'll go to 0, 2 over here. Understood?
Yes, yes, yes.
And then J plus plus. Then what? J plus plus. J will become what?
J will come now 3.
Is 3 less than 3?
No.
So this loop will become false and I will become 1. I will become
1.
and J will again become 0. J will again become
0.
so next number will go where? I, J means
I, J. It will go to I.
I is what?
I is 1.
J is
0.
so I, J mean 1, 0, correct?
Yeah.
So we'll go here 1, 0.
Okay.
Getting?
Okay, understand.
And then J plus plus. J will become 1. What is I? 1. Next number will go where? I 1, J 1. So I, J what?
No, I, J will be now 2.
1, 1. It was
1,
0.
1.
It was 0, no?
The same column now. 1, 1. Yes, yes.
1, 1. So next will go where? At 1, 1. Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Then again J will plus plus. J will become 2. J will become
2.
next number will go to where? What is I, J? What is I?
I is 1 now.
What is J?
J 2.
What is the where will number will go to? 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
So 1, 2 over here. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Then
Now it is 1, 2.
like this. Okay? So this loop will fetch the number and this will display.
Yes, yes.
Understood, Mohammad?
Understood, Mr. Understood.
Totally understood?
Totally. If
This
I
is
have any question, I will ask
this
you.
is 2D array. This is what?
2DArray.
Okay, if you want to find sum of all 2D array, if you want to find sum of all elements, what is sum of these elements? What is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90? What is this? What is this? How much?
1 minute.
How much?
450.
Hmm?
450.
150, right? So if you want that as answer, then now
Yes.
so now if you want that accept the a number store in 2D array and find their sum, find their
Some.
so what will you do? Accept the number, display the array, okay?
Yeah.
Now for array, for each task, one fresh for loop. This for loop for accept, this
will
for
accept.
loop for display,
Yes.
and now one for loop for calculate. For what? Calculate sum. So I will take
After the display,
yes after display. So we will take one sum, one variable by what name?
by some.
We will make it initialize to
No problem. Yeah, yeah.
0, and what will that do? That will become sum equals to sum plus matrix of ij.
Now you get the sum.
We will get the sum, and after we get the sum we can display the sum. What we can do?
Why you delete and the stuff?
We can display the sum. Sum is yes Mohammad, tell me.
I said why you delete the out and the.
Because we are not accepting, we are just calculating. We are accepting,
Now
we are
you
accepting over here. We are accepting over
now
here. So
I
accept
want to delete
accept the matrix, display the matrix and count the sum.
Yes, yes, yes.
Understood?
Understood,
So if you
Mr.
run this program and if you enter these many numbers, what was the sum? 150, right?
Yeah. No, 450.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Understood, Mohammed?
Understood.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes, Mister. I understand now. First calculation and then display.
Yeah. First, accept the numbers. This is the first for loop.
Yeah, first accept the numbers
As
and
there
then
are
display.
two index, so I have take two for loop. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
For single 1D array, only one for loop. 1D array only.
One for loop.
If you see your program, yesterday's program, you will see.
Yeah, I saw it.
Getting the point?
Getting it, Mister. Understand now.
Understand properly?
Yeah. If I have any question, I will revise it. If I have any question, I will ask you.
Yes, sure. I'll send this program also to you. So this is
Yeah.
find sum of 2D array. What is this program?
Sum of 2D array.
Sum of 2D array. Okay.
But Mister, if I want to read some, because I don't think our doctor give us some.
No, I will just it is 2D array topic is there. No, so you can give anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's take vector. Let's take what?
Vector.
Okay, I'll just press Asar Mohammed, and then
No problem.
we will join back. Okay.